Hi there. Can you help me assemble this shelf?
Sure thing. I'd be happy to help. What do the instructions say?
Well, it says to start by attaching the brackets to the wall.
Got it. Let's find the studs first to make sure it's secure.
Good idea. How do you know where the studs are located?
Usually they're 16 inches apart, but we can use a stud finder to be sure.
Oh, I see. So we mark the spots and then screw in the brackets?
Exactly. Once the brackets are up, we can slide the shelf onto them.
Great. And then we secure it in place with the screws, right?
Yes, that's correct. Make sure it's level before tightening everything.
Got it. It's starting to come together now. What's next?
The final step is to add the finishing touches like the shelf liners.
Perfect. Thanks for walking me through it. I feel more confident now.
No problem at all. It was a team effort. Let me know if you need help with anything else.
Will do. I appreciate your help. Thanks again.
Anytime. Happy to lend a hand.